Do you want to know?
Masabay-sabay kayo.
Yeah, it's a job. My best
Go,
friend.
go, open it.
My girl, the one we stay at her house all the time. The one we celebrated her birthday last week.
Wow!
Yay, billiards! Who will play with the billiards kaya? Are you gonna play it with us? Or just in the LD?
Wow! This one.
How do you do?
Let's open it na. Mami.
Thank you, Ninong, and family. Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. I love you.
Oh, kayo nga. Merry Christmas. I love
Why
you.
do you say it not loud? Merry Christmas, I love you.
Meron siyang cookies. Kaso di namin alam kung kanino galing. Kaya wait lang. Titignan na natin kung kanino galing.
Wala nakalagay.
Sorry kung kanino po kayo galing. Thank you so much for the cookies. And like na like ni Lucas yung mom.
Open mo na. Go.
What's this? What's it? That is 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2,
Baliktarin mo kaya, anak, para makita mo.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's behind.
It's 8. 8.
Baliktarin mo na. Nak, you can see it, oh. I can see it na sa likod, do. Tingnan mo yung likod. Yan.
Wow! What is that, anak?
It's a 4 wheel.
4 wheels?
No, it's a 8 wheel.
Patingin na.
Ah.
Tingin ka sa ano, camera at sasabihin. Dito, amigo.
Thank you, Kuya Migo.
Wow.
Wow. Up.
Can I put some?
Get one toy at a time.
Every time you open a gift, you will say thank you. Okay?
Look here and say thank you. Naku, snake kagad talaga.
Wow.
That is a black mamba.
Black Mamba. It's a Black Mamba.
Go back. Go back. Paano makikita? Go back.
Dad, why is it circle?
Circle. Oh, next.
Malaki agad talaga. Malaki yung kinuha.
It's look like 100.
Kay Ezra yata yan.
Hindi, no, kay Ezra yan.
Ay, hindi ba? Wait lang, nak.
This is a
Ano kanino galing? Walang card.
Baka may card na siwalaan lang.
Kung kanino man po, say thank you, anak. Say thank you.
Now the chessboard again. For lucky Kuya.
Hala! Billiards again!
Billiards! We have billiards again. Ako kanino galing. You have 2 billiards. Wow, you have extra.
Wow!
Extra than that one.
I-put it back in the table muna.
Say thank you.
Big.
Kanina yan, huy. Pabasa mo muna kay mami.
That's, Kiko and Akiko.
Adi dyan na. Kasi Toys R Us din.
Dali.
Thank you, Aki.
Ito Aki.
Keiko.
Oh, why did you do this? I see it. That's a tank.
Whoa! It's a tank and a helicopter.
It's a human.
Mark ka naman dito. Kaya mo yan. Wow! Wow! Wow!
Oh!
Wow! Grabe naman talaga si Ninang Tita Ninang Ezra. Napaka naman talaga.
Grabe naman pala.
I like this.
You like that? Are you thankful to Ninang Ez?
What will you say? Ezra. Mamaya na open. Mamaya na open. Put it in the table muna.
I can.
Ano yun?
Give it, I think that's...
Kay Ninang Fur.
Ninang Cat? That's
Kay Ninang Fur. Lahat ng blue na ganyan kay Fur. Yan pa yata yung last year. Dapat yun. Okay. Nice one.
It's
It's
for the.
for Daddy. Ay, for Lucas.
It's for water.
Oh, it's for water. Oh, show it. Show it here.
What is it, Ninang Fur?
Say thank you, Ninang Fur.
Very consistent every year for 5 years.
Fur.
Tingin ka muna dito.
What can you say to Ninang Fur?
I said thank you.
You said thank you na. Ninang Fur is very generous too.
Kasi yung isa pang last year yata.
It's a clay.
Oh! It's a
I
clay.
see that.
You like it?
Play-Doh?
I want to sand.
You like it?
It's a sand.
No, nak, it's a clay. It's clay.
Sand.
It's clay nga.
Look,
Bahala ka, ayaw maniwala sa akin.
it's something. Thank you, Ninang Fur.
Snacks. It's open na agad. It's from Kuya Jam. Sige na, get mo na yan. Pakita mo lang dito. Tapos say thank you kay Kuya Jam. Oh, it's a baril.
Patingin kayo, say. Whoa!
How about this one?
Go.
The square, flat, rectangle.
Let me see who kanina galing yan. Balik tayo mo. From Ninong Joshua. Oh. Say Ninong Josh.
Ito Ninang
Ninong?
Ninong
Joshua.
Joshua. What's that? Whoa! Is that an RC? Oh, it's a desert racer.
No, that's not. Oh, it's Godzilla.
Ano Godzilla? Wow! Uy, hindi na ako bibili ng ganyan ah. Thank you, Josh.
RC?
Parang RC. Uy, bakit yung...
Nakalagay RC yun.
Dad, it's my toy.
Oo, may ganyan ka na. Amin na yan. Amin na muna yung book. Uy, Lucas, tignan mo. Oh.
Finding something.
Tignan mo yung binigay sa'yo. Amin na yan.
I'm just finding.
Pag nakita mong gumalaw, maniwala ka sa akin. Hindi mo na papansinin yung libro. Nakpakita mo muna yung toy.
This is so big one. I don't see anything.
Sige na, kahit alin dyan. You just choose one. Tapos let's open it. Oh, show mo muna kanina yan.
Oh, bagay.
Kay Tita Sherlyn. Ano yon?
Float.
Ooh, nice clothes.
Yay!
Nice clothes. Thank you. What will you say?
Thank you.
Tita
Tita
She-
Float.
Tita Surits na lang.
This is a toy.
That's from Daddy Oye.
Oh, that's from Daddy Oye.
That's Daddy Oye, ah.
From Ninong Oye yan. Who?
Wow!
Wow! What will you say?
It's Lego.
Ninong Oye.
That's Daddy Oye.
Ninong. Kanino galing yan? Ay, kanila. Tito Jaime yata yan. Ano kanino? Tito. Kay Tito Jaime yan.
Okay na, okay mo.
Higa na dito. Ooh.
Wait.
Remove this kasi.
It's a suit
Let
from
me see.
Iron Man.
Wow. What's that?
It's Iron Man.
Wow. Oh, I think it's a jacket.
That's Iron Man.
Or unan. What's this?
Sa unan.
Sa unan. Nice. So, put it back. Say thank you kay Tito Jaime. Say thank you kay Tito.
So Jaime. Which green one?
Oh, let me see the name first. Wala nakalagay? Ano, Ate Rain, Kuya Jello, and Kuya Louie. Open it.
Dito ka anak, di namin nakita.
Di naman ako. Ano yan?
It's a toy.
What kind of toy?
Truck.
Whoa, it's a dinosaur truck. Ay, say thank you kanila Kuya Louie, Kuya Jello, tsaka Ate Rain.
Thank you, Ate Ray.
Dali mo dito, dali
It's
mo
not
kay daddy.
science.
Dali, give it to daddy para alam ni daddy.
Wala talagang
At the nurse gun.
Nerf?
What's this for water?
This for water. Water gun.
Uy, may pang
Ay, naku.
sa beach, daddy.
Delikado ka na ka.
May pang na tayo sa beach.
Sa loob ng CR lang yan na ka. Put it in the table. Ninang Cheng.
Oh, that's for from Nina. Sheng.
Say thank you.
Ito ng Cheng.
Patay tayo dyan.
What's that?
X-shot. Yung katulad nung binigay mo kanila, baby cute. Tingnan mo.
It's
Ayan.
Kuya Cutes.
Oh my God, po.
Oh, dude, look at this.
Fox, ang galing mo. Oh! Gummies!
More and
There's more? Oh,
Wow, there's a lot.
nice.
There's a lot, Gummy. So, show it to Mommy. I can see. Wow.
Labas mo lahat, nak. Labas mo.
Wow.
Tapos
but
put,
it's not gummy. This is
Do
not.
you know, Ninang Cook's
It's
birthday is
gummy.
tomorrow.
ilabas mo na yung gummies.
Na.
Oh, ilagay mo doon. Baka matapon natin eh. Yan. Oh, it's another piece. Oh, it's a pole. That's from ano? That's from Ninang Roxy. Sabi mo. Thank you, Ninang Roxy.
Pinuni ng Doxy.
Roxy.
Doxy.
Okay, put it back. Tapos lagay mo doon. Oy! Salamat, Le. Patingin.
Oh, it's
Ooh!
Lego.
Daming Lego ni Daddy Ay, ni Lucas
It's a Lego.
What will you say, say thank you kay Ninong Lele? Tsaka Tita Richie.
Thank you, Ninang Lele. It
Tsaka,
is another
tsaka Tita
one.
Richie.
Thank you,
Tita.
Ninang
Tita. Richie.
Richie.
Ate Mikay. Oh, this is from Ate Mikay.
Thank you, Ate Mikay.
Open it.
It's hard to open it.
Hawakan mo. Oh, punitin mo. Tito. Punitin mo. Oh,
Jacket.
it's a bag.
Oh, Spider-Man?
Oo. Si Miles Morales.
Black.
It's a bag, nak. It's a bag.
Ba? Ang cute na.
Dito na ko. Dito.
Tatami.
Sa tummy.
Okay na.
It's sa leg.
Wow.
Wait, how's it buksan?
Pabaliktad. Nice. Oh, dali na. Open ka na other gift. Kininang fur ulit.
Dami mo kami ng fur.
At yun si kininang fur.
Thank you, Ninang sir.
Layo ka sa akin.
60.
Ayan na.
Origami. Wait,
Whoa, who's that? Gyroforce. Oh, it's a bubble gun. This one is a bubble gun.
I'd like to speak in. Hello? It's not alive.
Baka need ng battery. Oh, it spins. Ay, hata. Oh, mamaya, let's try it later. Lagay mo sa table. Dali na, nabuksan mo na yan eh. Kanila Ate Cass yan eh. Who is this from? Elio. I say, thank you, Elio. Yan. What's that? Clothes? Ano yun? Nagawa mo. Ooh, let me see. Is there a dinosaur? Oh, it's Pikachu! Look, it's Pikachu, nako.
Dad, look at this tail.
Uy, puti yan, nako. Huwag mo na mailagay sa sahig. There's a tail.
It is not.
It's white, oh.
It's a baliktad.
Baliktad talaga, eh. Nakatagilid, eh. Let me see the front. It's Pikachu.
It's baliktad.
Let me see the front.
This is a new.
That's the back one. Wow, ganda. It's Pikachu. I say thank you kay Elio.
I see.
Wow, marunong na magtupi. Wala. Galing mo magtupi, ah. That's from?
There's no signs.
There's no signs. Ooh. Ah, that's from Tita Janine. I saw that earlier. You say thank you kay Tita Janine.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tita Jeannie.
Our
Tita Jeannie.
How can I buksan? Sinira mo na. Oh. O, ilagay mo sa table. Table. Lagay mo sa table. Ninong Chester.
just
I say thank you kay Ninong.
that's Ninong. Show it to us, anak. I can see.
Teka, hindi pa niya mar... Ang ginagawa mo?
Clothes. Ang galing nila kasi clothes na Ninong.
Oh, that's Roblox.
Yeah.
Oh, what did he say?
I don't know it.
Ninong Chester.
Thank you, Ninong Chester.
How about this one? Oh, Hot Wheels. I told you.
Ang tagal ko nang inaano sa kanyang orasan.
Uy.
Ah, yung regalo natin sa kanya, nakalimutan naman natin.
Padala na lang natin siguro. Or pwede tayong dumaan.
Oh, there's one left. The white paper bag.
Kaya pang-alarm ka na.
Oh, that's from whom? There's no indication na naman. What's that? Oh, it's a... Ano ang tawag dyan, na?
Ito may camera.
Mixer truck.
What is that? It's a...
Mixer truck.
Mixer.
Mixer truck.
What will you say? Thank you.
Robert W.
And say thank you, everyone.
Everyone.
Oh, stand ka dun sa gift mo.
Ayun guys, ito yung mga gift and clothes ni Lucas.
Lucas.
Ay, pati pala ni Daddy. And,
Dami ko ito. 1,
daming talaga ni
4, 5.
Galing
What's the first one that you're gonna play with? Train.
Nilalaro niya muna yung